Hello again, everybody. Welcome back to the Home Bartender. I'm Anne. The weather is changing, and we're turning to cocktails that warm you from the inside out. Today's cocktail bridges the gap from summer to fall. It's a Pineapple Negroni. Stay tuned. Ingredients are coming up next. You will need 1 ounce of pineapple rum, 1 ounce of Campari, 1 ounce of sweet vermouth, and we will garnish with a pineapple wedge. I found this Pineapple Negroni in this book that my parents gave me for Christmas called Drinks on the Lanai. It's a Golden Girls cocktail book. It's super funny and it has lots of drinks and food recipes in it. So let's mix this down. So we're gonna start with 1 ounce of pineapple rum. I infused this rum a couple days ago with the rind of a pineapple and the fruit of the pineapple. I let that sit for 2 days and then I strained it back into this bottle. I think it's really gonna boost the flavor in this cocktail. So then we have 1 ounce of Campari. We're gonna have 1 ounce of this sweet vermouth. I use these pumps, these wine pumps, for keeping my vermouth in the refrigerator a little bit longer. So you put this cap on there, and then this goes on here, and you extract the air from the through the pump, and that keeps it at least 2 weeks longer in the refrigerator, I think. So let's mix this real quick. All right, let's get it into the glass. Look at that color. That's exciting. It's really nice. And then let's go for a little pineapple garnish. And that is a Pineapple Negroni. So I've actually never tried this cocktail before, so I'm gonna try it for you now. You can definitely smell the Campari and the orange components of that. It's really good. That Campari comes first because it's bitter, but it's really smooth. The pineapple rum, with that pineapple rind in there, it really boosts up that pineapple flavor a lot. So I think that really helps the cocktail. And then that vermouth is right on the back of my throat. It's what's finishing off the cocktail, and it's really great as well. This is a really great cocktail. I really like it. So I think I'll encourage you to make this yourself. That's it for me today. I have lots of great videos on this channel, and I just wanted to say, peruse the channel. There's got to be something on my cocktail channel that you would like to see. So check that out before you leave. And we will see you next week for another great cocktail tutorial. Be well. Ooh.